This course includes several class lectures and laboratory activities.
Students need to develop strategies for comprehending the academic lectures.
Customer feedback about the store has been very positive.
The words used in academic lectures tend to be more formal.
This approach encourages students to develop their own research skills.
Organizing public lectures can be a difficult task for new teachers. Over a long period of time, a new team was built.
We currently offer free monthly lectures on different health topics.
The team was made up of social workers and occupational therapists. They have notably developed writing skills after 2 years of study.
The award is presented to organizations that are dedicated to biology.
They are adequately motivated in mathematics and other basic sciences. The meeting was attended by all members of this study team.
The program helps students develop a better understanding of geography. This book provides a new way of understanding some social issues.
This is a public lecture on the subject of corporate finance. A further study suggests the opposite of the former theory.
This section includes a series of team-building activities in school.
The project has been specifically designed for history teachers.
She is trying hard to find solutions to this mathematics problem. I have met him several times in different public lectures.
Some of our graduates are deficient in mathematics skills.
They are drafting a final report on study of foreign trade.
In addition to psychology, he also teaches chemistry and physics.
The primary school is located at the center of the town.
The Public Health Department has warned us of some unhealthy lifestyles.
Our focus in this chapter is primarily on work experience. After years of work, scholars have acquired much useful information. There has been an increasing diversity in career opportunities.
The business partner or corporate sponsor can be an organization.